Okay, today we'll do experiment chroma illusion. Okay,
Yes.
for that we require, what are the things?
Yellow and blue.
Okay, 1 cup of water,
2 cups water.
mixing 2 beakers,
2 beakers. In the bottle.
అవసరం లేదు, 1 mixing rod.
1 mixing rod.
Let's start the experiment.
Yes.
Okay, take the blue color, add 1 drop. Just 1 drop. Shake well, shake well. Okay. Gentle press, Nana. Just 1 drop. Enough. Mix it.
Hello.
Close the lid and mix. Add 1 more drop, blue color. Shake. Just 1 drop. Enough. Close the lid first. Mix it. Now, take the cup of water. Cup. Yes. Add 4 drops of yellow color. Three, 4. Enough, Nana? Enough, better. Mix the yellow color. Mix with mixing rod, Nana.
Okay.
Mix with mixing rod. Slowly, beta. Okay. Now dip the blue color beaker into the yellow. Show me the color. Show me the color to me also. See, blue turns green. This is called chroma illusion. Now show me here. Show me to the camera. Leave. See, this is actually blue. When it dips into the yellow, that will become green.
Yes.
This is called chroma
Yes.
illusion. Blue turns green.